Hi, this is needlepointers.com. It's almost Valentine's Day and time to make some Valentine's Day crafts. Making a simple paper heart garland is a simple way to decorate for Valentine's Day. Let me show you how. Start by cutting 1-inch strips from construction paper or cardstock with a paper cutter or a scissor. Fold the strips in half. Take the first strip and put the fold end down and the cut end up. You will be making the heart by inverting the cut ends like this. Place the second strip with the cut or the fold aligned with the cut end on your previous strip. Invert it so that they match. The ends all match like this, as you can see. And now staple. The first heart is complete. Let's add another heart. Again, take the folded end and align it with one of the cut ends in the previous heart. Invert it so that all of the ends are aligned and even. Staple, and you now have your second heart. Continue adding strips to make hearts until the garland is the length you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook for lots of crafting information and tutorials. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of craft information and free projects.